Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action today pretty straightforward. And, unfortunately, if you're just like, hey, look, summarize this for me, this was just an absolute brutal pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of the company's being shady. I don't know really anything about the company. I am making the pump and dump statement based on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases, even lower. So, this will mean a little bit more to those that watch the past videos, but, at this point, it still pertains to everybody. But this level right here, that green line, was an important level that I talked about in past videos. And I think we can all agree that when the price closed here yesterday and then gapped up and then ran all the way up there, that was a really nice move. That was a good, solid gap up this morning. I don't think anybody's going to disagree with that. Next part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in one single day, once again, I'm thinking we can all agree this was a short amount of time. And then finally, the price goes back to where it started, or lower. And, with this, it's not even close. It technically started right there on the gap up. That was the key green line there. But the closing price was all the way down there. So, just an absolute pump and dump any way you look at it. Am I saying the price can never ever make another nice move again? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that as far as the nice gap up that occurred this morning, and then with the continued price movement to the upside, there is just truly nothing. There is no true power behind it. So maybe another nice bounce can happen sometime next week. But as far as the excitement from this morning was concerned, that was just one pure pump before the dump all happened. So we'll see what next week brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.